For firefighters, the job doesn't stop, especially during a pandemic. They are the first responders to the most urgent cases of COVID-19. With how contagious it is, 8 Dallas firefighters already tested positive for the novel coronavirus. Another 10 are showing symptoms and waiting for test results, while 126 are in quarantine.
Definitely this past month has been a struggle, without a doubt.
Jim McDade is president of the Dallas Firefighters Association.
I think from the beginning of this is something that the department was not fully prepared for.
He says they're making it work with overtime and filling in for each other.
We've transported a lot of patients that are positive for COVID-19 or suspected of having COVID-19.
McDade heard the news last night. A Chicago firefighter of 17 years died from complications of COVID-19.
It's starting to hit home with firefighters and first responders in general.
He's worried for his team.
We are reusing our N95s. We'll get one and we'll reuse it until it's basically not able to be used again.
And he knows the number of firefighters getting sick will grow.
We just hope that they don't get too sick.
But their job continues.
We're still responding to the car wrecks and the shootings and the heart attacks and the strokes and all the things that we always do on a regular basis, and the fires and people being trapped and all the other situations that we deal with. But on top of that, now we have this highly infectious disease to deal with.
The one way we can protect our firefighters is to protect ourselves first.
We do need to take all the guidelines serious, the social distancing, stay at home.
In Dallas, I'm Tiffany Liu.